Yeah, but stand by. And hanya, this is. Hello guys, I know I look a mess. Oh yeah, I know what's missing. Earrings. Thanks for the donut. Earrings is what's missing right now. Guys, are we going to see Kanye on the 13th? I was at Travis Scott. Why would I do that when Travis Scott is around? What? Come on, something's pink. Hi, hello. Come on, something's pink. Let's come on, some. Let's say Mali. Let's say. I'm sorry to this way. Yes. Oh, it's not doing that. It's really my part. Hi guys, hello. I'm looking for my hand lotion. So what's your plans for today? I'm having lunch with a friend right now. We're having lunch. And it's pink. Hi, Liz. Thank you, my darling. Nobody knows where you are. Nobody knows what you're up to. No, Shem, he's a family person. It's our family driver that has been with us for a lot of years. So when I was still in kindergarten, he used to take me to school. And then primary, then high school. Then now I'm older, he still haven't left our family. He's still here, working. So right now he's in my house. Since I've moved out, I'm in my house. So his name is Lucy, so guys, he's been with me ever since I was young. I've been up and down, traveling a lot. Well, that's a good reason to be very offline. That's a good reason to be very offline. But I hope you've been doing well. It's very cold here. And this what I'm wearing is warm, but I need to cover up. I'm still here, babe. Still Hi DeSouza, hi Blake, how are you? Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Uh, I don't know if I should use this one. I don't like this one though, but let me just grab another. I'm gonna use this one. This is my favorite, but it's very done. And I don't know what earrings I'm gonna wear. I am not thinking of gold today. I've been wearing gold for the past, I don't know. It's time to move on. I am still don't burn anymore. Where did I do my hair? I didn't do my hair. I bought this hair, so it's glueless. I just wear it. You know, it's 5x5. I bought it in Nigeria. So there's a hair vendor in Nigeria that I bought it for. I waited for it for like 2 weeks. 3 weeks to be exact, because the other week was DHL clearance and stuff. So so I just like, I think it's much like the 5x5 is really good because it doesn't need to be installed every day. You just put it on and then you go about your day. You just put it in and then you go about your day. So this is the band. You can loosen it, you can also tighten it if you want. So this is the band. Ay, yabona shem. Mvuto limala sola zangakhomba nini. But yeah, guys, we're still trying to grow our hair. So what we do, we will wear the wig just to cover the shame. I bought it in Nigeria, but I didn't go there. I just had it shipped down to in South Africa, and then I had someone pick it up for me. Then I got it here, and it was how it went. Those bands don't ever get stretchy due to heat. I don't get it. But like, a band is just a band. You loosen it, you tighten it. The one thing that will get loose is when you... I didn't order it online. Well, there's a hair vendor in Nigeria that I ordered from. And then I bought it. As I'm waiting for my other hair, so I'm waiting for my other hair. I really thought that I was a curly hair girl and a short hair girl. until I realized that I also like straight hair. Can we get the veranda's name? So her. Was it so? Okay, never mind. I'll get my phone. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Her name is Olive. Olive from Nigeria. Hair by Olive. So I've been communicating with her for my next upcoming hair as well. So this is her. Hair by Olive. Go to her page. She's right there, and then you get the number on the screen. Cause I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me start calling her number out. Say +234 +234 705 313 0013. So I initially wanted this one, but she was out of stock at the time. I was desperate for the hair, so I got this one. I got this one that I'm wearing right now. I would have loved also the plain natural one. It's hair by Olive, guys. She's very good. Oh, the video isn't available. Apparently, she deactivated her account. I don't know, on some drama that is going on, but there is some drama that is going on versus her other thing. But like, I can definitely give you guys the numbers out. But she's very good. She's very good. Rather, I call her and I put her on the phone just to ask her if she's still alive. It's not even saying ringing, guys. I don't want you guys to be like. I'm just calling her so that, but it's not even ringing, so I'm not sure if. Let's just hope she will come back online. But in her page, if you guys are following the hair business right now, there's a drama going on between her and her competitor based on who sells the best hair, and there's stories that are going back and forth in between them. She might have deactivated her account, but I do believe for a fact that she is still in the business. She cannot be out of the business because there's some orders that she has that are also from everybody, you know. So I am sure, 100% sure, that there might be a situation and it's going to be very much explained. But either way, this is where I got the hair, and this is supposed to be my next one that I want. So that's all, ladies. Do I need powder anywhere? I don't think I do. Just forcing it. Okay, guys. This is from Fenty. This is my Fenty lip gloss. Well, this is a lipstick. And then this is my Fenty lip gloss Heat. Then this is my lip gloss. This is my Fenty, what's it called? A lipstick. Then this is my Fenty, what's it called? Setting powder. Well, I do believe I'm done unless I'm missing some parts. Well, I'm leaving, so I have my driver's license. Oh, this is my... Hey, Peranini. Hey, this is my driver's license. Those are my bank cards. So today we're using this one. We're using this one and not this one today. Parang nasuka na screenshots and then have been yung hindi meme and tebagal. Shorty's birthday. This is embarrassing. Okay guys, no Bafana t-shirt girl, Bafana t-shirt girl. No, I need a Max Verstappen t-shirt. Hey guys, there's a neighbor of mine who is probably on leave. Yes, I'm from Eswatini. My neighbor complains with the noise, so guys, I can't bring it up. I've got like really like noisy speakers. I went and I invested on a JBL speaker. So guys, thank you so much, Uncle Sam. I the loudest right now. Yeah. Do you have a blonde weave? I am in the process of buying that one too, but I'm afraid of how it's going to look. But I've paid for it. I just wonder how it's going to look. I just wonder how it's gonna look. I almost told on myself. Shiny, I think you would look like an angel on blonde. You know, I don't know. But I want to agree with you. I just don't know. How much was the wig? 12,000? If it does not like me, I'm not gonna post it. I'm sorry. I don't post anything that doesn't look good on me. Party, party. What is trying to know? I speak Siswati. I speak Siswati, a little bit of Zulu. That I can. It's Zulu Zama because it's almost close to Siswati. I think I should pay some. So you can read my name, Tsepo Pito, yes. Ooh, my English page. But then this is the only place with light. This is my beautiful window. My house is very dark. My house is very, very dark. I do not have any other place to take content. I don't have a man to be taking me in hotels and different hotels now and then. So please excuse me for that. This is the only thing this is the only place in my house that has light. Fresh out of jail. Red Bull. Red Bull. Red Bull. Naik kapal hitam. Iya, naik kapal hitam. Naik kapal hitam. Thanks for the road. What did they used to do? They used to do this. Yeah, they used to do this back then. Who else listens to Sold Out? I do. I listen to Sold Out all the time. Nowadays, my favorite song. Ukuphethe kahle umjolo wakho omusha. I'm not actually, I'm not. Oi! Thank you, darling. Ungiphethe kahle kakhulu. Ngiyadlala mina ngiyinde. Umjolo omusha. Let me go play my other song, the one that says "Just Gonna Stand There" by Rihanna and Eminem. Yes. Hi guys, I'm back. Oh, I didn't change. I wanted to play Kanye. No, Kanye did not sample the song. Sold Out AI music changed it. Yes, I'm trying to fix it, but it keeps changing. I hear it all, call the story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul. I wanted to play Sold Out. What do you mean? Guys, I have to love and leave you guys. Thank you so much for joining my live. I get to love and leave you all. Yes, it's sold out. It's on YouTube. I don't know if it's on Apple Music, but it's on YouTube. And guys, thank you so much. I will have to go now. I've been saying this for over 5 minutes.